to all the patchworkers, quilters and fellow fabric lovers. Here we are on my YouTube channel this morning. Don't forget to subscribe below so you can follow everything that's happening around the craft circuit. I'm here with Brett. How are you this morning?
Yeah, good. Our Christmas spectacular here at Bendigo.
Yes.
Doors open in, about 15 minutes time?
About 15 minutes, yes.
Yep. Pre-purchase your tickets online to save, and we go right through today and tomorrow till 4 o'clock.
So we can do a multi-day pass for today and tomorrow too?
Yeah, make sure you pick up your multi-day today at the front door and or online, and
Because there's lots to see.
Stacks of classes on the go.
Yes.
Then we'll be kicking them off from 10 o'clock this morning.
Yes, with
you're
one
at
of
10,
mine.
You're at 10 o'clock.
10, 11, 1 and 2 ladies, so don't forget to book in online or come and see me.
That's right, and we've got a heap of specials for these guys. I'm going to get off. I've got to go do some work. Leave you to it. You look after these guys.
I've got a lineup of people that are here at Craft Alive, so here we go. Come on in. Here's Kaye.
Hi, how are you?
Good, thanks, Kaye. Go for it.
Hi, I'm Kaye from Shop with Kaye. I sell the fabulous Snazzi bags. We've got this special new red, first show ever in Australia. Looking forward to showing you freight thread bags as well.
Wonderful. Come and see Kaye. Stall number 47. Thank you. Come on in. Who have we got here?
Hi, I'm Melinda from Scrapin Craft. I produce all these fantastic layouts and you can turn them into this fantastic look. So we're at stand 14 and we've got some fantastic classes on today as well.
Yay. Come on in. Who's next?
Hi everybody, I'm Jenny from Hillbilly Scrappin. We're at site 15. We are promoting Colour Blast new watercolours here, mattes, shimmer. This is what you can produce, but lots of mixed media. Come and see us.
Wonderful. Thank you. Come on in. We've got Anne.
And from Crystals and More, we sell a fabulous range of beautiful Swarovski crystals and budget crystals for all your Christmas products, and they're just stunning.
Stunning. Wonderful. Come and see Anne. She doesn't make it take at 2 o'clock. Come on in.
Hi, I'm Heather from Stampin Up. I've got a special Christmas card workshop coming up in July, so come and find out about it at our stand, and there's some of the cards you could be making.
Wonderful. Thank you. Come on in. Next one.
Hi, I'm Diane from the Quilt Basket, and I'm site 56 and promoting the lovely flannel quilts.
Or flannel, right, with the warm
Which
weather.
is great for
That's the cold weather. Yeah, to get warm. Yeah.
Yes, all the patterns.
All the patterns, wonderful. Okay. Thanks, Di. Come on in.
Hi, I'm Maria from Site 50 from Just Sweets. We're selling Rocky Road and all your beautiful sweets. So come and buy.
Come and get those warm Rocky chocolates. Come on in. We got Sophie.
Good morning, I'm Sophie from Scrapmats. We are an Australian-owned company. We manufacture our own chipboard and stencils for the Australian scrapbooking market. At Bendigo this year, we're actually running some Christmas classes that I've designed. We're also doing some Christmas ornaments that you can create and make yourself at home.
Wonderful, and you've got the makes on your
I've
side
got make
of
and takes mini classes on my stand all day.
All day.
Okay, thank
Come
you.
and see you. Thanks, Sophie.
Thank you.
Come on in, guys.
Hi, it's Sue and Kathy from Bellbird Papercraft and Eclectic Exhibitors.
Great range of Christmas dies, Christmas stamps, also running mini classes and demonstrations all day.
All day long. Great, wonderful. Thanks, ladies. Come on in. Move back a little bit. We're getting a bit closer to the front. There we go.
Hi, I'm Karen from Old Mill Quilting. We've got some beautiful Huffman and stuffed Christmas fabrics all on special.
Wonderful. Thank you. Come on in. Come on, Alex. Here we go.
Hi, I'm Michelle from Snazzi Scrappin. We have a huge range of Christmas dies and stamps and 3D. And Alex here loves our lucky dips.
Yes. Well, thanks, guys. Come on in. Next one. Come on, Alex.
Hi, I'm Elva from Elite Gift Collection, and I sell easy scarves and my new little creation here for Miniature Gardens and a free Santa for my Christmas logs while they're still going.
While we're here at Craft Alive Bendigo, while you've got the stock.
Exactly.
Beautiful.
Okay,
Thank you.
Come and have a play.
Have a play. Come on in.
Hi, I'm Charlotte from Close to My Heart, and we have got some great specials. We've got some card kits, pre-cut, pre-stamped, everything. We've got some pattern paper and cardstock for 50 cents each, and we're also running shaker card workshops. So these are shaker cards. Come on down to
Wonderful.
Close to My Heart at stand 61.
61. Come on in.
Hi, Deanne Brown from Doterra, and we've got our stall at number 74. We've got some great products to help support your health, and just remember, we've got an oil for that. So come and see us. We've got some great show specials.
Wonderful. Thank you. Come on in. Next one.
Hi, I'm Lisa from Hen Picks Crafts, site 41. We've got lovely Christmas panels, $17 on special, and Click Heat Naturals, 10 balls for $55. Come on down.
Come on down. Next one in. Here we go.
Hi, I'm Julie from Kazaz. I'm at stall number 49. Today we're running a workshop and tomorrow at 11 o'clock, but we have lots of Christmas things to look at and come and talk to us about more workshops that you can do after the show.
After the show, wonderful. Come on in, next one.
Hi, I'm Sheila from Janice's Creations Products. We are 20 years old next month.
You're young.
Yes. We are 20 years old next month. Now for a special today, we have a discount if you book into our class and buy a full pack of the product afterwards. We will discount your class price today.
Wonderful. Thank you. Next one.
Hi, I'm Fleur from Little Desert Quilts, and I'm near Kanazawa in the Little Desert, and I've got lots of Christmas fabrics with me, panels and bundles and all sorts of stuff like that. And
you're
on stand 118.
118. There we go. Come and see them. Next one. Come on in.
Good morning.
Morning.
Liz from Libby's Cards and Charms,
Yes.
site 20. And today we have special with the cutting plates and heaps and heaps of dies and charms.
Wonderful.
Come and see us.
Down there. Yep. So we're here all day. Come
Thank
on
you.
through. Next one.
How you going?
How are we going?
I'm good. I'm from Buttons and More, site number 72.
72.
And I have all these scarf bales, all different sizes, and I am promoting a box of buttons for $5, and there's over 120 buttons in there.
Wow.
So $5.
Bucks, come on down for that great bargain here at Craft Alive Bendigo. Okay. Thank you. Next one. Come on in, Mandy.
Hello, I'm Mandy from Sew Quirky. We're teaching Koala Pop today at 1:45, so we've got other workshops as well on stand 75.
Wonderful, thank you. Come on in. We're going. What do we got?
Here's our wools and silks for all your embroidery.
And we got Robin from
Cascade House Embroidery.
Thank you, yes.
And I'm right inside the front door, so you can't miss me.
Yes. All right, Robin. Come and see Robin. Thank you. Next one. Come on in. We've got one more to go.
Okay.
There's lots more stalls, but we've got one here. Go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hi, come down and see the button ladies. So at 81, we have a large range of snap jewellery, buttons for scrapbooking, sewing, and lots of different crafts.
Wonderful.
Site 81.
Site 81. Thank you so much. Well, guys, that's just a sample of how many people are here at Craft Alive here for you. So if you want to come on down and see us, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the bell so that we can get your notifications. Follow me on Facebook or Instagram. And happy sewing.